Hello everybody, this is a lesson on Superwow 5th year. Now we are going to listen Unit 5, What's on TV?
Unit 5, What's on TV? Page 54. Listen and read. Hi there, do you like watching TV? If so, which channels? Animal Planet is one of my favorite TV channels. There are always documentaries of animals from all over the world. I sometimes watch Discovery Channel. There are nature, adventure, science, and technology programs. My brother watches Disney Channel. His favorite cartoon is Phineas and Ferb. He likes sport programs too. He often watches football matches. Dad often watches MasterChef. It's on BBC One at 9 o'clock in the evening. Mom never watches it. She hates cooking.
Now you can listen more English, more TV programs. Listen and repeat.
Music video. Music video. Comedy film. Comedy film. Animated film. Animated film. Adventure film. Adventure film. Detective film. Detective film. Science fiction. Science fiction. Teen comedy. Teen comedy. Advertisement. Advertisement.
British TV programs. The main UK TV channels are the BBC, ITV, and Channel 4. Their most popular programs include sports events, cookery programs, talent shows, and TV serials, as well as films, documentaries, and the news. Talent shows are programs where participants show their skills at singing, dancing, or acting, in the hope of winning a prize and a lucrative contract. The most popular shows are The X Factor, Britain's Got Talent, and The Voice. Many popular programs are competitive, such as MasterChef, a cookery competition where only one contestant wins the title to become the best chef of the game. Sports events, both national and international, are always popular. The Olympic Games in 2012 were watched by millions of people. Football League and World Cups, rugby matches, and cycling events are also very popular. And you? What do you like watching on TV?
Now listen and repeat.
Page 55. Listen and repeat. Cartoons.
Talent show.
TV series.
Documentary.
Weather forecast.
Quiz show.
The news.
Sport.
Page 55. Listen and number.
1. Documentary.
2. Sport.
talent show.
Or weather forecast.
5. The news.
6. Cartoons.
7. Quiz show.
8. TV series. Page 56. Listen and complete.
On BBC Two, the news is on at 2 o'clock. The quiz show, Cash in the Attic, is on at 2:30. The weather forecast is on at 4 o'clock. On BBC Three, Animals at Work, a documentary, is on at 1 o'clock. Glee, the popular TV series, is on at 1:30. And The Voice, the new talent show, is on at 2 o'clock. On CBBC, 2 episodes of the TV series Absolute Genius are on at 4 o'clock. Copycat, the quiz show, is on at 5 o'clock. And the cartoon Futurama is on at 5:30. Enjoy your afternoon.
Remember to use these words to complete the exercise. TV series, documentary, the news, talent show, cartoons, quiz show. Now let's go next page and look at these. These are adverb of time. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Always, sempre. Usually, di solito. Often, spesso. Sometimes, qualche volta. Never, mai.
Page 57. Listen and repeat. Always.
Usually.
Often.
Sometimes.
Never.